Hello, welcome back to Pine City Apiary. I'm Paul. Got Josh here, and today we're going to take a look at Hive 1. What we want to do here today is open them up, see if they've got any honey in that top super. We're going to take away the queen excluder, and then we're going to replace the bottom board with the new bottom board. So, might want to get a smoker out. Is that moisture up there? What is it?
So, maybe it's moisture. Low moisture.
Just set it down where you can get it, because you're going to want to smoke again once you get the top off.
Off.
Yeah, does it feel like there's any honey in there?
No, not this one.
Just go ahead and lift it up and stack it and just see if it's got a lot of weight or no. Pretty light?
Yeah, it's light.
Okay. Then go ahead and smoke that one and split it. It doesn't close. Okay, that's good. Then also we want to keep an eye on for small hive beetles.
Okay,
We don't want to dig in this. We're just going to split it apart and move it over there behind you. Well, that's good to see down there. That looks good. I'm going to yank that hive beetle comb out of there. The hive beetle stuff. Smoke them. Alright, then we take that off.
all of it off?
Just the bottom board.
This one?
Yep. Okay, if you can't get it off, just take it all off and put the new bottom board down.
This one down?
Yep. But take that, just take that all the way off the stand. Put the new bottom board down. Then restack the hive.
Oh. Hey Dad, I think it's backwards.
No, no, that's right.
That's right.
Yep. Okay. This is the only one we have to do that to. Take the queen excluder off. Queen excluder off.
Okay.
It's stuck on the bottom. No? Oh, okay, never mind. I thought you were going to do something else.
Oh, I'm trying to get it on.
Okay, the inner cover. Jar. This is a 2-to-1 sugar to water mix. Can you take that pine stick right there?
Pine stick?
Yeah, there by the brick.
Yeah.
Right underneath your foot. No, the big one, bigger one. And put that underneath the back of the hive is wobbly.
I don't know what we need.
If it's too thick, then grab another one that's not as thick. Like break off that one you're stepping on. If anything, we want it to lean towards the front a little bit. So we want it to be higher on the back.
Yeah, I can do it.
Alright. Then come with your hive tool. Let's get this guy off of there, that entrance reducer. And let's put it on big side out right now.
Inside?
Yep.
Which one?
Like that. It'll be upside down. Like that. Push it all the way down. Push that one side down. There you go. There you go.